Hello everyone. This another one might call. Okay. Today the topic is the square root form in the form of x plus 2 square root y and x minus 2 square root y. Okay. We get this gonna be the formula, right? This one. Remember we have formula like a square minus b square, right? Equal to a minus b, a plus b, correct? This is same idea, same formula, but only this one. Oh no, this should be the whole thing power 2, not this one. Sorry, should be the whole thing power 2. Okay, sorry. So gonna be this one a like this one a plus b the whole thing power 2 here equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, but right now a here becomes square root. Okay, so you can try this one. If you square root this one, become like a formula here, same formula, but only the a, b different value, like this way. When you use this formula, right? Use this formula. So the first one gonna be what? Square root a power 2, right? Plus 2ab. So that means plus 2 times square root a square root b and plus square root b power 2. Everyone get it? So we have this one square root mean a power 1 or 2 and 2 cut, so you left a. Okay, and plus 2, and this one time, right? You can combine like in this one, right? Exponent you learned already, okay? Last year. And then this one become b. So this is the same, right? See that? This and this the same. Okay, so that's the formula. Expand. Just same thing, but now this one have a little bit special. So see, take a look this example now. Okay, find the square root of this 17 minus 6 square root 8. Okay, so now solution. We want to find this one, right? So write down, say this one 17 minus 6 square root 8. Find the square root of this one, okay? So then this one equal to, you see this one 17, right? 17 we write down first. Now this is negative, so we're gonna use this one because negative here. Okay, so we a b we leave in that way first, and then we write this one become minus, right? Minus, this is minus. But 6 here, 6 we need the 2, okay? But we have 6, so this one we can make it down become 3 times 2, correct? And square root 8. Okay, after this one we keep the 2, but then 3 put back in the square root. 3, right? When 3 put back the square root here, gonna be 9, correct? Times 8. Then you take a look this. If this one in under square root here, 9 times 8, right? If I use 9 plus 8 equal to 17, correct? So this one equal to 17, and then this one 17 is the same as this one, right? That's the key right here. Okay, so in this case, I can write it down. This one become 9 plus 8. See from here, okay? The idea is here. Okay, so 17 I can rewrite that become 9 plus 8, right? And negative 2 square root 9 times 8. From this one, you see the formula here, this one because of negative. So right now A is a 9, B is a 8. Negative here same, 2 here. A is a 9, B is a 8. See that? So now I can put back this one is the same, right? So that means this one is the same as this one, this side. So I can write down become A, right? Become square root 9. And because it's a minus, right? This is a minus. So write back to this one. So become minus, sorry, square root 8. Okay, and then the whole thing power 2. Everyone get it? Okay, so now after this one, because they want to find the square root of this one, okay, that means this one, you have to just say square root one more time, right? So from this one down here. After this, you have to write square root down the whole thing here because find the square root. So this line just keep writing like this, right? So up, maybe I like this way. Because I expand this one first up to this, after this one, because they find the square root, so I like 17, should like from here. More sense. So this one, right, square root, so I take square root for both sides, right? Because question want to find square root. So this one square root of one. Or you can like power 2, right? Then this one becomes square root 9 minus square root 8. But this one inside the whole thing power 2, correct? You just take both sides with square root side. This one equal to this. Okay. After this one equal, okay, maybe I like in the same line. Eh? So we confused. This line to be the same line. 17 minus 6 square root 8. You should take the square root both sides. Okay, take square root both sides. So then this one, square root mean power 1 over 2, right? Power 1, 2 times the index 2 here. So cut so 1. So then you left square root 9 minus square root 8. Okay, so that's the answer. At the same time, you can write this one equal to this one also. You can have like a minus 9 and plus square root 8 also. That's okay. Because like this one, you can come back to this one. Why I say so? Because of this one, right? 9 times 8 can be 8 times 9 also, correct? So if you write this one become square root like this one, right? You can write it down, become like this one, can be 8 plus 9 also. So you're gonna have square root 8. Same thing, right? Minus square root 9. Can be like in that way also. You know why? Because when we power 2, you see this one, right? They final they're the same because because the square root power 2 here. Then you can get the same answer. Understand not? So see this one. This is a final answer, correct? Can be this or this. Because square root you have to answer, right? And then, but this one is the same meaning. This one same meaning. Because if you use this one, square root 9 minus square root 8, and the whole thing power 2, you expand it by using the formula, this one, right? This formula, right? So this one gonna be 9 minus 2 square root 9 times square root 8, correct? And then plus h. Then you h and 9 and h gonna be 17 minus 2. And then this one you can combine become 9 times h. So same thing from here, correct? Same way. Or even this line, same thing, right? Okay. At the same time, why I say so, then you can see if I take this one, right? Take this one, become power 2, minus square root 9 plus square root 8, and the whole thing power 2. So what we have, the first term here, negative power 2 become plus, and then this become 9. And then this one gonna be what? Minus 2ab, right? So minus 2 times square root 9 times square root 8, correct? And plus 8. Then this one becomes 17, and this one minus square root 9 times 8. Same thing, correct? You see that? They're the same. So that means the one say from here, right? From this one, you can let 9 times 8 or 8 times 9 is okay. But why I use 9 first? Because I'm trying to eliminate the negatives. If you use 8 square root 8 minus square root 9, gonna have negative side. So I'm trying to make the positive as much as I can. This is the H, okay? Everyone understand now? Okay, so now we see next example here. Oh, maybe I lay it down. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna do this example, this one. This example, okay? So maybe I can rewrite it. From here, I write down here, okay? So now C do the same way. Maybe I write down here better. 9m plus hn plus 12 square root 2mn. See, right now, this one like can be A or B, correct? 9m and 8n can be A, can be B, right? Either one. But right now the main thing 12 here. See the 12 here. This 12. You have to make it 2, right? From the formula. But right now this in front here is a plus, so we use this formula. Actually it's the same, only this plus and minus. Okay, if this one plus, this one have to be plus. If this one minus, this one should be minus. Haven't get it? So now this one in front plus, so should be this one, right? Should be this one. Okay. So now come back to this example. Again, this one I have to make it 2, right? So I write 9m plus 8n plus 12 I can do by 6 times 2, correct? Square root 2mn. Okay, so from the formula, I will keep 2, but 6 put back in the square root. So I have 2 here, square root. 6 move inside the square root become 36, correct? And time 2mn. Now, see this 32, I'm sorry, 36 times 2 is what? 72, 72, right? Right? And then you can observe if this one 8 and 9 time becomes 72 also, correct? So in under square root here, I will change to be 9 and 8. Okay, so I keep this one first. Plus 2. So I can make that become 9m times hn, correct? So this equal, right? Like this one. Maybe I write down here. I use blue color here. Like this one, right? Only this part, okay? Gonna be what? Square root 72mn, right? And then this one gonna be what? I can break it down, become 9m times 8n, correct? Why I do so? Because I want this one. Under square root should be same with this term and this term, the a and b term. Okay, so I break it down in this way. After this one, you see 9m times 8n. When you plus, it's the same as this one, correct? Similar like this one, 9 times 8. When you plus, it's equal to 17 here. Okay, so now I got it now. So I have, after this one, you see this one is in this formula, correct? Same this formula, right? Because right now A is a 9m, B is a hn, plus 2 here. Square root AB, this one square root 9m times 8n. So after this one equal to this one, right? So we have, after this we have 9m. Because this one plus, so I like plus here. And square root 8n. Okay, and then don't forget in the pattern the whole thing power 2. So you like power 2 here. Okay. After power 2, because they want you find square root, right? So you take, actually this one, this the whole thing here is equal this one now, right? So then from this, you do the same way. Take the square root for both sides. So this one, right? Okay. So it become 9m plus 8n plus 12 square root 2mn. This one equal this one. I rewrite it down, okay, because I don't have space on the left hand side. So equal to this side is what? 9m plus 8n. Square root also, sorry. Square root. And the whole thing power 2. I just rewrite it, okay? After this one, right, you just take square root both sides again because they want you to find the square root of this one. So then this square root 1 over 2 times 2. So cut, left power 1. So you left inside here only. So become square root 9m plus square root 8n. Okay. So again, this one can be another answer is what? Minus square root 9m minus square root, sorry. Minus, oh, sorry, this is a plus, right? So this should be, or this one, okay, minus, correct. So become 8n. Okay, so it can be this answer or this answer, right? Can be both, that's two answers. Again, why? When you power 2 for both sides, they come out will equal to the left hand side like this question, like this example. Okay, so this is a final answer for this one. And at the same time, you see, at the same time, 9m, you can take the root, right? And 8 also. So we go ahead do it otherwise, make it lower term. So 9 become 3 root m, right? Plus 8 is what? 2, take it out, square root 2n. That's one answer. And this one do the same way, become minus 3 root m minus 2 root 2n. So maybe this one nicer because it really can be the final answer because we can take the square root. Okay, so this is the answer for this example. Okay, now we go next example, one more. Now I like this formula here, so you can compare. Okay, now this example, find the square root also has the same thing. How to do? This one already have 2, right? So we use this one, right? Because minus here, and this is a minus. But then you see, already have 2 here, so we don't need to do this one. Right now, a plus b should be somewhere, something here. Can break it down, something, right? So now how we do it? We write this one 2x minus 2. Rewrite it first, right? X squared minus y squared. Now you break it down, become what? You say under root here, we can factor, correct? 2x minus 2 square root. This one is the formula, right? A squared minus b squared equal to a squared, a minus b, a plus b. The formula, this one again, you see. So this one factor it, the same idea. So x minus y and x plus y. Okay, so now 2x minus from this one, you observe this one, maybe we don't need to rely, save our time. Just observe this one, right? This under root here, this bracket, times this bracket. So if two bracket, the rule is what? If this one time, right, when you plus have to be equal to this one, correct? From the previous example. So in this case, under root here, if I use x minus y, right, this one time, right? But if I change it down to be plus, like this bracket, time this one. So plus this one gone, and this one become, I mean, negative y plus y gone. So we left 2x, right? So you see that's 2x equal to this 2x, see that? Right? This one same, right? So now I can take this one, right? This time, so I write down become plus. So from this one, from 2x here, 2x here, I can write it down become this, the two bracket. So become x minus y, and then plus, right? X plus y minus 2 square root x minus y, and then x plus y. Everyone get it? Okay, because this the whole thing when sum it up equal to 2x, right? Everyone, because minus y plus y gone, so you left 1x become 2x. Okay, after that, you see this right now x minus y is means a here now, right? Mean a here, and x plus y mean b now, and this one is a. This one's a and this is a b, correct? And 2 is already there here. See that formula, and this formula is the same with the a minus b power 2, right? So it's actually the same, but we use only this technique to in this term, and when the plus should be equal to this term. Even technique, okay? So now what we have after this, so right now you just square root, right? A and square root b. So I have this one, square root of this one, right? Or this one, up to you, either one, like this one. And then minus square root x plus y. Okay, and don't forget this is a whole thing power 2. Because when you power the whole thing power 2, when you simplify, will equal to this line, right? This one will equal to this one when you expand it. Now after this one, take square root both sides. I write down first, né? The whole thing power 2. Now take square root both sides. Again, this one square root and 1 to gone become power 1, right? So we have x minus y square root and square root x plus y. So that's the answer. Okay, final answer. At the same time, you can answer as another one is what? This one become plus, right? You can either one, so become this one become minus. If minus can swap 1 plus 1 minus, correct? This term's a minus. This one, yes. It minus 1 become plus, just swap. So x minus y. Sorry, something on my eye. And then this plus x plus y. Okay, so it can be either one. So you can test it power 2, and see they should be equal to the original question or just equal to this line. Okay, I think that's all for this square root in form of this pattern, right? It can help when you do some simplify or find a variable. And example, you're going to learn that one. I will give you example. Without the variable, gonna be all the number without using the calculator. Okay, that's all for today. See you next class. Bye bye. I will give you example, question to do also. Bye.